Dip it. Put it in there. Good girl. Now put it in your mouth. Yeah, good girl. You are such a big girl. 18 months old. And you can eat with a spoon. Good girl. Now dip. Now put it in your mouth. Oh, so big. Say, how's that applesauce? Is it good? Good girl, Isis. Now put it in your mouth. Wow. See how much easier it is? I like the applesauce beard you got going on. Let's get up close to that. That's nice. I like that. Thank God for bibs. Alright, big girl. Put it in your mouth. Yay! So big. This is a big deal for you. Huh? Finally. I love you. One more. And good girl.